So this is MePass, and MePass is a Web3 Meta Earth project. Now MePass has been existing for, this is August. I registered in January this year. So this project has been existing for 8 months. Okay. Now the things you do on this app is simple. Daily sign in. I've signed in. Okay. If you can see here, you can see that I have signed in for today. Okay. Daily sign in, but your reward for daily sign in is very small. It's 0.0001 meg, which is very small. Then if you invite anybody using your invitation link and the person is verified, not just inviting, you invite and the person is verified, you are going to be getting 0.1 meg. So if you have issues with inviting people, then make sure you don't forget any day to sign in. So this is what you need to do when you register for the MePass project. I stopped talking about this project because a lot of people just registered and they don't want to get their account verified. Before now, it wasn't a problem, not until the app was modified, and now or currently your verification is paramount, else you can't do anything with your app. Now if you haven't registered, I'm going to be leaving the invitation link on the comment section so you can get registered. This is what you need to do immediately after registration. Okay, so after registration, you click on this MePass symbol. Okay, then you come down to customer service. This is because you need to chat the customer service to help you verify your account. If you don't, they won't get you verified. Okay, so click on customer service, then click on customer service. Then the next thing to do is transfer to a human agent, because you don't want to spend all your time talking to a robot. Or do you want to do that? No. So click on transfer to human. Okay, do not also click on submit a ticket. If you're going to submit a ticket, you're going to take a long time. Now immediately after registration, you'll be asked to verify your submit your ID. Now your NIN slip, if you're in Nigeria, is not going to be accepted. They are going to reject your NIN slip. So do not submit your NIN slip. Rather submit your digital NIN, the NIN that carries the front and the back, or your voter's card, international passport, or driver's license. Any of these four can go, but if you give them NIN slip, they are going to reject it. When that is done, you've verified. Let me go back so you're going to understand what I'm trying to say here. Now immediately after registration, you've clicked on the link, or you copied the link to a browser, you've registered, you've downloaded your app. They are going to give you a 6 or a 12 rate. That is your security code. Any day you lose the code, just forget about your account, because you cannot access your account without code, especially if you change if you get a new phone or something happened to your account. So copy your key phrase and write it down somewhere so you will not forget. When the registration process is done, you've now registered, you will come here, come to Me ID. Okay, if I click on Me ID, you're going to be seeing my ID card. This is because I have been verified. But if you're not verified, you're going to be asked to submit your NIN, voter's card, international passport, or driver's license. Now, not all of this, any of these can go. NIN slip is a no-no for them. When that is, you submitted it, taking a picture or a live picture of your face, you submitted your national identity card, you will take a picture of this Me ID. They are going to give you a system message telling you they've received your message for verification, and they are going to verify you in 24 hours. Note that you are not to wait for them. You are to contact the customer service to help you verify your account immediately. This is how you do it. You take a screenshot of the Me ID, then you click here. You click on this MePass symbol. You click on customer service. Then you click on transfer to human agent. Then you see this attachment. This is called an attachment. For those of you that send mails, if you have never sent a mail before, this is called an attachment. This is used to attach images or documents that is not with the actual document you want to send. Okay, so you click on the attachment, then you attach the image of the Me ID. Okay, then you open a chat. All right, so tell the customer service, hello customer service, or hello customer service, yes, I just registered, and I need you to help me verify my account. Attached is my Me ID. It's my Me ID. Okay, then you click on send. Now I have no business here because my account has been verified a long time ago, and with MePass, I think I'm not going to show you how much I've made, but 1 meg currently is $5. As at the last time I checked, $5.25. So I am forecasting MePass to get to $6 in no time. If you're still sleeping on this opportunity, or you haven't been verified, I'm sorry, you're losing and you're missing a lot. When this is done, you click on this send button and you send it to them, and you wait for 24 to 48 hours. If in 24 to 48 hours they don't respond to you, you are to go back to them and send them a message. You have to send them a follow-up message, because MePass is an international project. It is not only for Nigerians, it is not only for Ghanaians, it is open to the entire world. So you don't expect them to just depend on Nigerians or wait for Nigerians to register accounts and meet them for verification. Okay, so this is all you need to do. I currently have 3 meg, and 3 meg, if I sell it, is over $15. So I'm not selling this, I'm holding it because I have sold most of my megs. So this is what you need to know about the MePass app. After you are verified, you will be given 1 meg. Okay, you can see that I have 2 meg here, so I have a total of 5. I have a total of 5 meg. Okay, so this is over $25. Yeah, now this meg, I staked one, and they gave me a welcome bonus, which is 1 meg, and it was automatically staked for me. I can decide to withdraw it if I wish to, but I don't want to withdraw it, because for every meg I have, I am going to be giving rewards daily. Okay, so let me withdraw my staking so that you're going to see that I am not joking here. So you can see how much I have accumulated so far. You can see how much I've accumulated so far. So I'm just going to click on confirm withdrawal. Okay, put in my password, and you can see that my meg has been added to my balance. Okay, my meg has been added to my balance. So this is all you need to know about the MePass app. If you have questions you want to ask, please leave them in the comment section. And a lot of persons are currently spamming my comment section with links. I advise you, don't click on any link that is not posted by me, else your account can get affected, or you have to meet whoever had access to your account. Stay safe, be careful, and only click on links I posted. I'm also going to attach a link to my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel in case you're not on Telegram, so that you can always have access to opportunities and updates whenever I share them. If you haven't followed me, please follow me. You can also reshare this video to your friends and to whoever you want to invite, so that you will do the less talking. I've done everything you need to do. All right, so that's all for this video. See you on my other videos. Bye for now.